Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Erase wrinkles naturally. The secret 4-ingredient anti-aging mask. Wrinkles and fine lines are an inevitable part of getting older. Aging happens to all of us, but it doesn't mean you have to lose your natural glow. You can't turn back time, but you can slow down the visible signs of aging, naturally. Today, when people talk about skincare, it feels like the meaning has changed. If we truly care for our skin, why do we constantly feed it synthetic chemicals and artificial products? The first step to genuine skincare should be to use safe, natural, and nourishing ingredients. And guess what? The best ones are already in your kitchen. Yes, the secret keys to restoring your youthful radiance are right inside your pantry. Aging isn't the only reason our skin changes. Stress, poor sleep, unhealthy eating, pollution, and even dehydration all accelerate the process. Do you ever notice fine lines forming around your mouth? Those are called perioral wrinkles, often known as smile lines or marionette lines. While they're a natural part of aging, many people feel self-conscious about them. That's perfectly okay. We all have those moments standing in front of the mirror, noticing lines that seem more visible than before, wondering how to make them fade. Even though we remind ourselves that wrinkles are normal, sometimes we can't help but want to smooth them out. And it's not just about appearance, it affects how we feel about ourselves, too. But here's the good news. Your skin is a quiet warrior. It constantly renews and heals itself. Sometimes, all it needs is a gentle nudge from natural remedies to bring back that healthy glow. So in today's video, I'm sharing a secret, all-natural remedy that fights off mouth wrinkles using just 4 simple ingredients. No chemicals, no expensive creams. Just a pure, homemade mask that gives your skin an instant glow from within. By the end of this video, you'll learn. Checkmark how to make this anti-aging mask. Checkmark how to apply it for maximum results. Checkmark what benefits to expect. And the best part? Every ingredient can be found right in your kitchen. Before we dive into the recipe, let's quickly understand why mouth wrinkles form. Wrinkles around your mouth can be viewed in 2 ways. You can see them as beautiful symbols of laughter, life, and experience. Or, you can understand them as preventable skin changes accelerated by lifestyle and environment. The truth is, intrinsic aging is something none of us can control. It begins in your 20s when collagen production declines by about 1% per year. Elastin, which keeps the skin bouncy, also decreases. Over time, the skin becomes thinner and less elastic. However, there are external factors that speed up this process, like sun exposure, smoking, pollution, dehydration, and poor sleep. For instance, UV rays are responsible for up to 80% of visible facial aging. Smoking, too, damages collagen and causes repetitive lip movements that deepen wrinkles. Even excessive sugar in your diet or chronic dehydration can make fine lines more visible. Now, here's the truth. Creams alone won't erase wrinkles overnight. Most store-bought products contain alcohol, preservatives, and fragrances that dry out your skin. And dryness makes wrinkles worse. So instead of harsh chemicals, why not nourish your skin with natural ingredients that help it heal from within? Your body has the ability to repair itself. Give it the right nutrients, vitamins, hydration, and consistency, and the results can be amazing. Let's meet our 4 natural heroes. 1. Avocado, the ultimate skin food. Avocados are packed with vitamins E and C, both essential for hydration and elasticity. They also contain biotin to prevent dryness and healthy fats that make skin supple and youthful. Vitamin E in avocado neutralizes free radicals that cause aging, while its creamy texture deeply moisturizes the skin. It's no wonder avocado is called a superfood for the skin. 2. Yogurt, the natural exfoliator. Plain yogurt is a powerhouse of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells without irritation. It helps smooth and tighten the skin, while keeping it hydrated. Yogurt's creamy texture feels soothing, especially on sensitive skin. Always use plain, unsweetened yogurt. Flavored types contain sugars and additives that can clog pores. 3. Lemon juice, the brightening agent. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production. It tightens and tones the skin, making wrinkles less visible. But remember, it's potent. Always dilute lemon juice with other ingredients to avoid irritation. 4. Rolled oats, the gentle soother. Oats are deeply moisturizing and rich in beta-glucans that repair the skin barrier. They calm irritation, reduce redness, and hydrate even the most sensitive skin. Oats also contain antioxidants that fight free radicals and delay premature aging. Now that we've met our heroes, let's make the anti-wrinkle mask. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon rolled oats, slightly ground if possible. Directions: mash the avocado until smooth and creamy. Add yogurt and mix well until it becomes light green. Stir in lemon juice gently. Add the oats and blend until you get a thick, creamy texture. Your mask should feel soft, smooth, and easy to spread, almost like whipped cream. If you're out of oats, you can replace them with honey for added hydration. Honey helps reduce inflammation and adds natural moisture to your skin. Together, these 4 ingredients form the perfect anti-aging team. Avocado hydrates and renews. Yogurt exfoliates gently. Lemon brightens and tightens. Oats soothe and moisturize. How to apply the mask. Clean your face first with warm water or a gentle cleanser. Pat dry but leave the skin slightly damp. Optional. Steam your face for 2 to 3 minutes to open pores. Apply the mask evenly around your mouth and areas with fine lines. Massage gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, then splash cold water to tighten pores. Pat dry and follow up with a natural moisturizer, aloe vera, rosehip oil, or almond oil. You'll immediately notice your skin feeling softer and more refreshed. Pro tip: refrigerate the mask before use. It helps minimize pores and adds a cooling spa effect. Since the mask is made fresh, use it immediately or refrigerate leftovers for up to 24 hours only. How often to use? Apply this mask every other day for 5 days, 3 uses total. Then, continue 3 times a week for a month to maintain results. You'll notice smoother, hydrated, and younger looking skin within days. Real-life testimonials. Amanda, 48. I love avocados, but I had no idea they could make my skin look this good. My smile lines faded significantly. Edith, 54. This mask works like magic. My husband even noticed the glow and thought I'd had a facial. Lydia, 63. My skin is sensitive, but this mask calmed my redness. After a few uses, my mouth wrinkles looked much better. Results vary for everyone, but consistency with natural ingredients always pays off. Lifestyle tips to prevent wrinkles. Stay hydrated. 2 liters of water daily. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, and carrots. Avoid smoking, it damages collagen. Sleep at least 8 hours a night. Do simple facial exercises daily to strengthen facial muscles. Example: stretch your mouth wide for 5 to 30 seconds. Pucker your lips forward and hold. Repeat 20 times daily to tone the skin around your mouth. You can also massage natural oils, coconut or olive oil, in small circular motions around the mouth and cheeks. Stress management. Stress produces cortisol, which breaks down collagen. Practice relaxation methods like yoga, breathing exercises, or simply listening to calming music. Protect from the sun. Always wear a hat or use natural aloe vera after sun exposure to soothe and repair your skin. Bonus: avocado plus apricot glow mask. Add a twist to your avocado mask by blending it with fresh apricot. Apricot gently exfoliates while avocado nourishes deeply, leaving your skin silky smooth and radiant. Your skin is your lifelong companion. Treat it gently, feed it naturally, and it will glow beautifully in return. Aging is inevitable, but with nature's help, you can age gracefully and confidently.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.